milkshake.
For me.
Oh, what is it? What's in there? Oh, all these. Where's the one?
Vanilla and chocolate right now.
What happened to the vanilla and chocolate? Where did we put it?
And here.
Yeah, but where'd the cans go?
Right here.
Oh, yeah, it was plant collagen? Is vanilla? What? What's in here? Oh, wow. Oh, it smells like vanilla. Here, put a little bit of that in it. Mmm, that's delicious.
Taste again.
Yeah, okay. Mmm, yum. Okay. And then you gotta fill up the rest. Try the oat milk. Fill up the rest. Okay.
No, can you do it?
Yeah, I'll fill it. Okay.
You do it right.
You really think? All right, just make sure I'm doing it right. Okay. And then we have.
That's enough.
Oh, really? I think. Okay. Okay, and then. Oh, that's the thing we got on Amazon. Awesome. Milk frother. Who needs a blender? Oh, yeah. Put it down a little bit more. Okay. All right, you want to give it a try? Milk mustache. What do you think? What do you think? Thumbs up?